He stopped calling me beautiful. It happened gradually enough, but a woman always notices. At first, it was subtle. He started spending longer hours at the gallery, rushing through dinner, going straight to bed. We no longer spent hours talking about the world, our hopes and dreams. He stopped asking me to pose for his work. The passing of time was merciless on my skin, my figure. One day I was sitting on the floor poring over old photographs he had taken of me. Every single shot was a masterpiece. Every set told a story. He had this way of capturing an instant, a fragment of time, a glance, an emotion, a fashion. I often sat like this, staring at his work for hours. He came home early that day, catching me eyeing that very first candid that he did from his amateur days. "You looked so beautiful, honey," he said. Despite myself, I hoped he would leave then. I didn't want to be emotional, to break down in tears. I was stronger than that. He had no idea, though, how it felt to hear those treasured words spoken in the past tense. He never saw the efforts I went through to keep my skin clear, to keep my body trim, the injections, the hours spent at the gym, the fad diets, the subsequent eating disorders. I would have done anything to be his muse again. Anything. I would have done anything to be his muse again. Anything. But at 30, I could never compete with the sluts he photographed for work. 18-year-olds with naive eyes, slim waist, and a will to be seen, to be sought by the agents, the world, by him. He stopped calling me beautiful shortly after the third girl went missing. The cops kept showing up at his gallery, interrupting photo shoots, preventing his international business trips. When 6 young models go missing after working with the same photographer, well, let's just say the media take notice to that sort of thing. He never asked me outright, but I caught him digging around in my things, snooping my phone, etc. They'll have a warrant for his arrest any day now, and he's scrambling to find any proof of his innocence. He'll never find it though, because he isn't innocent. He's not innocent of neglecting me, of making me feel lesser than. He didn't sleep with them, but he cheated every single day he captured their sweet young faces and mesmerizing vulnerability. When he accepted critical acclaim for portraits that weren't me. They'll find Stacy's underwear buried between the throw cushions of the sofa at his gallery. Soon after, they'll find Rebecca's keys, Charlotte's watch, and other mementos hidden underneath a floorboard in the back office. One day, they may even find their decapitated bodies in the river by our favorite picnic spot, but they'll never find their heads. I have those tucked away for a photo project of my own. They let you receive postcards in prison, right?